I have a Whirlpool front-loading washing machine right here, and I'm going to show you how I wash large loads right here, okay? So this has the direct drive right here, okay, motor. As you can see, this is pretty full. I have a couple of sheets in there, a lot of clothes. It's full to capacity, okay? And so currently it is off. And so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add my detergent. Because this is such a large load, I'm going to add detergent. And I use all clear ones. So I have these pods. I use 2 whenever I have large loads, okay? So these are scent-free, clear. Well, they're supposed to be clear. All right, go ahead and put these in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply place these next to the drum in there. So they're in the drum right there. And then I am going to just go ahead and shut the door. And while I shut the door, I'm going to also add fabric softener, okay? So I'm going to put some fabric softener over here. So here I have some Downy free and clear right here. All right, so I'm going to put the Downy in right there. Just pour it in there like that. All right, so I have the fabric softener in there, and it's going to be released when it is supposed to, near the rinse cycle. So I'm going to go ahead and close it out. They have a couple of compartments right here for liquid and powder detergent. I use the pods. Do not put the pods in here. And then bleach, of course. I do not put bleach with my colored clothes. So I have the fabric softener in there. I'm going to go ahead and shut this. All right, and then I'm going to turn it on. Did you see that? It just turned on. So this has options up here for a quick wash, a delicate wash, cold wash, normal wash, heavy duty wash, sanitize, and drain and spin. I'm going to go with heavy duty because I have a lot of things in here. It's kind of maxed out to capacity. So I'm just going to go ahead and switch it to heavy duty. All right, so it's in heavy duty, right? All right, and then they have a whole bunch of options right here. It has cool, cold, warm, and hot. I'm just going to go with warm because I have sheets in there, and I just want the sheets to be really clean. The color clothes should be fine. I don't have anything that's really that will bleed. And then I'm just going to go to fast spin. I like the sound of that. And then the soil level, I'm just going to do heavy. All right, and then the extra rinse is actually on. So that's what happened. It's a good thing that I have that on because I want to make sure that the clothes get all the detergent rinsed out of there. Okay, so I have all of those settings, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start. Hold it down, and it says it's going to take about 1 hour and 31 minutes. All right, so that's how I wash a large load of clothing inside of a Whirlpool direct drive motor washing machine. Let me know if you have any questions.